Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clear for Recruiter series. In this video, I'll show you the exact reactive campaigns I use to turn job boards into paying recruitment clients. So when it comes to the outbound campaigns in the recruitment space, there are two types of campaigns usually happens. One, reactive campaigns, another one is proactive campaigns. This particular video is about reactive campaigns. We're going to discuss proactive campaigns down the line in the series. So there are three types of campaign we can execute in reactive campaigns. One is for the fresh roles. Another one is stale roles, or you can say a role that is open for 45 days plus. And third one, we can call it any sort of certification or any specialized hiring role. So the first campaign, the fresh role, we can again divide into two types: account-based approach and role-specific approach. Second one and the third one, of course, is going to be role-specific approach. I put the whole breakdown of this structure into one document, including hiring signals, scoring, outreach table structure, and example emails for each scenarios. So if you'd like to have access of these documents, please let me know in the comments. I will send it to you. In our next video, we're going to create our fast clay tables for the reactive purpose for the fresh roles, and you will see whatever we discussed so far, everything coming together in one central place. So thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video.